Jared here with CarBuzz.com, and behind me sits the all-new Lexus LC convertible concept. This is a convertible concept version of what we already believe is a gorgeous looking coupe, and I think that Lexus has done a great job turning it into a convertible. I think it looks even prettier now than it did when it was a coupe, which is kind of hard to imagine because the coupe is already so good looking as well. Toyota and Lexus haven't confirmed to us whether or not this concept is going to make it to production, and this concept version you see here doesn't actually have a roof. Lexus says it's still deciding on whether or not it wants this car to be a soft top or a hard top. I hope they go with a soft top. I just like the way that the lines look on soft tops a little more than folding metal roofs, and I think that would just look so good complementing this concept design. And I think based on the reception that Toyota has received on this concept, that there's no way they could build this and then not put it into production. I think it's just too good looking. And if you've liked this video and you'd like to see more like it, be sure to check out our apps on iOS and Android to keep up with all of the latest and greatest in automotive news, and to see reviews like the LC500. Hopefully when this does go into production, we'll get to go along for a test drive of it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.